My name's Rodri Edwards and I'm a geriatrician and the clinical director for older people in Swansea Bay University Health Board. We've got great plans in Swansea Bay to transform the way that we deliver care to older people in Swansea and Neath Talbot. And we've really got plans for developing a much more integrated and a holistic approach to the way that we deliver medicine for older people. The appointment of additional consultant geriatricians to work alongside colleagues in general practice and multidisciplinary teams in the community to deliver virtual wards where patients can be stepped up from their usual care with their general practitioner to a more intense environment where there's a consultant geriatrician leading a multidisciplinary team to deliver their care in the community.
I'm Nikki Leopold. I'm one of the consultant geriatricians and general medical consultants here in Singleton Hospital in Swansea Bay Health Board. One of the things that is really important about Swansea in particular is that work-life balance. So I myself am a really outdoors kind of person, and I really feel that getting out of work, it's really important for me to be able to go for a run. I do some sailing, I like a bit of mountain biking. Obviously we have got the most amazing place in which to do that. I look at my children and they have got the most gilded life really in terms of the access that they have to things that are actually free. The schools are really excellent. We've actually got very good educational opportunities and really good opportunities for children to be engaged in sport and other extracurricular things. We're really encouraging, and many of our consultant workforce will have job plan time to deliver teaching and training. And the Welsh consultant contract is definitely better than the English consultant contract in terms of SPA to DCC split. I think that that is something that, again, is fairly unique to the area in which we work.
In our estate agents in Swansea and surrounding, you'd expect to pay around 250 to 400,000 for a 4 to 5 bed detached property. Recently we've just listed a property though which has 4 bedrooms in a 2-acre plot with a heated pool for as little as 750,000, but the average price paid in our postcode for a 4 bed detached is £288,000.